guys, welcome back to my Scratch lesson. Today I'm going to show you how to add sound effects. First, go to Stage. Then go to the Sound page. It's just beside Backdrop. Then here you will see this icon again. Just click on it. Go into Choose a Sound. The sound that I need is Magic Spell. But if you press on Effects, there's still a lot of sound. So you can go to Search right here and search for Magic Spell. Magic Spell. And let's listen to it. Perfect. Go to Code. Then each time the background changes, we need to play the sound. But this time, be careful, it's not play sound until done. It's just play sound. So put it in front of everyone. Magic Spell. Magic Spell. And Magic Spell. Someone may ask why don't we put a magic spell before the switch backdrop to bedroom 3, this one. Because the background at the beginning of the story it's already in the bedroom. We don't need to make magic, so we don't need this. And now let's test it out. I really want to go on a vacation.
I can make your dream come true.
I have been dreaming about going to the moon.
As you wish.
It's too cold here. I want to go back to Earth.
As you wish.
I can't swim.
Okay.
The best place in the world is my home. See, now we added the sound effects. There are a magic spell sound in front of each backdrop change.